Aneen Abanujiyug, here is your Tuesday art project video. What I picked out this time, you'll need just a piece of paper and some crayons or markers or whatever you have lying around. I will be using my crayons. They're one of my favorite art tools. And what we're going to be making today is called a mandala. And I have given you mandalas to do for coloring sheets before, but today you are going to make your own mandala, not from a coloring sheet. And it's pretty simple. You can pick any colors that you would like. Maybe pull a few out, see which ones you think look good together. And it's pretty simple. This is going to be a circle mandala. And it's funny because mandala, in the language that it comes from, is Sanskrit, and mandala actually means circle. So here we go. With a mandala, we're going to start with just a circle in the middle of your paper. That's it. Just a circle. Then pick your next color that you wanted to use. I used kind of a blue, so maybe I'll switch it up. Switch it up and go to a purple. And all you're going to do for that is we're going to do 4 circles first. You're going to do a smaller circle at the top, a smaller circle at the bottom, a smaller circle in the east and the west. So you got a north, a south, an east, and a west. Okay? Then you're going to add circles in between those circles. So you already did 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to do 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job. I'm going to switch colors again. And all I'm going to do is add circles again. And everywhere you can see kind of this little gap between these 2 medium circles, that's where I'm going to add my smaller green circles. And now the point of mandalas is they're supposed to be a way to sort of mindfully focus on one thing. It's kind of a peaceful little process. So you're not just making art, you're kind of letting yourself have a little moment for you. Just to relax and enjoy things. Once you're done with your little green circles, I'm going to start doing some other little blue circles. Now I'm going to put those right on top of all these bigger circles. Yours doesn't have to be the same color as mine. And it's okay if some of your circles are like, you think, oh, that one was a little too big, or oh, this one's a little too small. That's okay. I wouldn't worry about it. This is supposed to be kind of a relaxing thing to just enjoy. It doesn't have to be perfect, if that makes sense. All right. And then I'm actually going to switch back to this color that I used in the very beginning for this first circle. And what I'm going to do with this one is I'm just going to put some more medium looking circles, and I'm going to put them in between the blues and the greens. So I'm going to concentrate on all my tinier blue circles, and I'm going to draw medium ones on either side of those. So there. That's the little blue circle, and I drew one on either side of it. So here's another circle. I'm going to draw a medium blue circle on either side of it. See this one? Here. Here too. So if you pull back, it almost looks like you've kind of got a bit of a flower going, maybe. But we're still just doing circles. Nothing too fancy, nothing too complicated. I'm going to add another round of my green circles, but I'm going to make these ones a little bit bigger. I'm going to have them sitting on top of those little blue circles. There we go. And really, that's all we would need to do to make a mandala. But I am going to make a little design in the middle too, I think. I think I want to have some of these circles coming inside this center circle. They're going to look a little more like ovals because they're all kind of squishing in there. That's okay. And then maybe one more blue circle in the center. And once you have your mandala all drawn in, you could actually go ahead and color it in. But that is our art project for today. If you wanted to make a mandala using other shapes, this one was really just circles and a couple of ovals. But you can pick any simple shape and make a mandala. Maybe you want to do one with rectangles, short rectangles, fat rectangles, super long and skinny rectangles. Maybe you like triangles a little bit better. The one thing I will tell you about mandalas is they are usually they're a geometric pattern, meaning you make them with shapes. And I'm going to show you something, if I can. Usually when you make one, there's a symmetry to them. What you'll see on one half of the mandala should look pretty similar to what you would see on the other side of the mandala. So both sides should look really similar. You want those shapes to kind of form a nice symmetrical pattern like that. That's why I had you count when we did those first 4, and then we added those diagonal 4 more. So, go wild, have some fun. And if you like how your project turned out, feel free to share your mandala with the rest of us on Seesaw. Just take a quick picture of it and put it up there. All right. Well, happy Tuesday, everybody. And I hope I get to see some of your mandalas real soon. I love you and I miss you. And I will see you in another video real soon. Get go wabba mininim, abanujiug.